Good morning, bonjour, miigwech. The goal of today is bringing to you the importance of understanding data and open access with an intersectional lens of ideas. Is making sure that we understand who is not at the table, and those people, they should be at the table.
When done right, open science has the potential to make research and science more inclusive, more transparent, and more accountable to the communities and patients that we serve.
So in closing, really, I see open science as a real opportunity, and I hope we can find ways to do it with care, respect, and also shared purpose. So thank you very much.